What's going on? Bam, we got Starling in here today. Woohoo!
Don't get used to it.
Yeah, she's sweeping right now. I'm gonna get her to, show y'all me fitting this stuff behind the walls. I got these two. I just, came in. I just started going crazy because I had a loaded tea. I haven't had one in a while. I've been drinking nothing but water. So I'm just like super hyper right now. But I already got two pieces stuck in right here. I measured it. It'll be 3 foot 1 inch from here to here. So that's what we're gonna be cutting in a minute. But we'll probably just round it off to 3 foot. And then same with over here. I got one piece just stuck it in here, and I already stuck that in. See, this piece is like this. Got a little gap right here, but I think I got a can of spray foam. I'm gonna just spray that in this little gap right here, and it'll also help hold this up, keep it from falling over. So, trying to think, like a pro, you could say. But yeah, and then we also got that up there to do. But yeah, we're already flying through a good bit because down here there's a lot of windows, so it's a lot of cutting out of pieces that we can do. We got a few pieces over here in the shop. Picked up 17 pieces today. We're gonna see what we can get through because I got called in to work tonight, so I gotta be at work at midnight tonight. But yeah, and it is 1:11 right now, so we're gonna work for a couple hours. Probably go to bed at 4 o'clock, wake up at 10 or 10:30, go to work. Leave the house around like 11:15. Go to work, be there for about 12. But yeah, it'll be awesome. I think we can get a good bit done today, especially with my help of Starling here. So yeah, we're gonna cut to seeing how she does with her camera skills. What you think, Starling? All right. Okay. So you see, we've got some pieces all, mocked up, some of the whole pieces. Yeah. And so right now I'm taking some of the scrap that I have and I'm cutting them for the bottom of the windows. I was doing about 12 inches. It's a little less than 12 inches, but that worked. And then I mark them 3 foot wide because we got 3 foot wide windows. Mark right there. Mark right there. And then we'll take our level. It's right here. Straight edge on the level. Mark it down. Side. Bam. Bam. Perfect line for you to cut with the knife. And then you place it under there and then you tape it up.
Right there.
You'll fit it down in there. See, got a little bit of gap between the studs and the metal. You can stick it down in there. Best recommendation is to do all this before you have studs. Way easier to do it. And you got anything to fight around because like they got supports for the plumbing and stuff. I'm having to like cut it out around that. I've had to take a couple off and move them out of the metal just to try and make life easier. But yeah, so I'm gonna cut to probably maybe some more cutting. I'm gonna find a little difficult spot. Like over here was pretty difficult putting this piece right here in. This piece, I had to go in from the top behind the bathtub and maneuver it back here to be able to get this to fit in with one piece. So I didn't have to cut it and put it sections in. So, more solid pieces, the better insulating it's gonna do. But yeah, so let's cut to having some more stuff done. I'll probably cut to this corner over there because that corner looks like it's gonna be pretty right next to that window right there. It looks like it's gonna be pretty difficult to get a piece in there. So I'll cut to showing how I can get a piece back there. Yeah, you can see it's all caged in. So, yeah. All right, so it's the next day. In different clothes. It is currently 6:09 a.m. Just got home from work. Starling's still asleep, so we're gonna do some measuring and some cutting and get a little bit more done. We did a good little bit yesterday. See, we got all this done right here. Got a little gap I'm gonna fill in with one of these little scrap pieces. We got this I still gotta do. And this I gotta do, but I got this piece in. I just gotta tape it up. That piece in. I got this piece down here in. Got this piece in. I got all this in. Just need to tape the top of it up. But the bottom of it's taped already. Got all of this in. Just needs to be taped up. See this? Just need to be taped in. That is kind of just wedged in there. It was like perfectly cut. It's awesome. But yeah, so this is what we're about to work on right quick. Is some of this area right here. Probably gonna, cut that piece and piece for the end of this right quick. And because I'm gonna pretty much use this a whole sheet to go right here. Besides, cutting a foot off of it at the top of it, and it'll fit in right there. Then I'm gonna try and run one piece all the way up this. A solid piece, if we have it. Yeah, good. Less cracks, less tape, the better. You see how wavy that is right there? I'm gonna try and fix up on that a little bit. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. But yeah, this is pretty much the wall that we have left. Is just this, which is gonna be quick, because I got pieces, all the solid pieces right here for this, and then I got a couple pieces over there that I can cut up and put wherever I need it. But yeah, it's pretty darn sweet, if you'd ask me. All right, well, let's get to work. Okay, I don't know what day it is anymore. I've been living off the land. I've been stuck and lost in the woods. Not really. But it's January 8th, 2023. Just about to be finished with the installation. I got just a little bit more to go. I got 3 pieces left to cut. I was here last night till 1:30 in the morning. Or 1:30 this morning. Yeah. Ooh. Still same day though. But yeah. I got that piece is already cut. It's up there. Right there. It's right there, yeah. That piece goes right here. Gotta cut that piece. Another piece I gotta cut is this corner right here. And then one more right here. That's it. That'll be done. I worked last night until I ran out of tape. Got some more tape this morning. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go around and, throw a couple extra pieces of tape here and there. Like piece of tape, like right here, push it up against this and then 90 it onto here to help hold it back and against the metal. There's a couple spots that kind of need that. Like up there, it's right there where I put the one backwards by accident. It's kind of, they're both bent and they're like coming apart over here in the kitchen. See, it's like leaning forward and needs to be pushed back and taped up. So yeah, but I just haven't had the extra tape. Now I do, so it's great. So I'm gonna make sure all that gets done. So yeah, let's cut to me finishing up, and we'll probably cutting a piece. Try and get me a little clip of me cutting some styrofoam. We're done. We got all the insulation up. Pretty freaking sweet. Yeah, my bright light. But yeah, got it all done. I did what I was saying earlier, taping up the tops like this. Keep from falling forward. Works out great. Yeah, got all that done, got that done. There was a spot I missed underneath that window, but I was able to get it in. I had to cut it in half to get it into the holes because it was just too close between the 2x4 and the metal. But yeah, bam, check that out. Oh yeah, awesome. I was able to, I don't know why I'm showing that way. But yeah, I was able to use every single piece I bought. So I did a rough estimate of 40 sheets and I used 42. This is what I have left of the 42. Just a couple little pieces. I used every bit I could, anywheres I could, to try and conserve, you know, sheets of insulation. But that's what we're left with. I think my dad's gonna come in here and do some electrical now. But yeah, check that out. It's awesome. Finally finished all the first stage insulation. We're gonna have more insulation that's gonna go between the 2x4s before we put the drywall up. But yeah, definitely have to take y'all with me whenever I go get drywall or get it delivered. You know, check this out. Awesome. Oh, I see a piece I need to tape up right there. All right, sweet. So I'm not done yet, but I will be done in just a second. But yeah, check that out. It's awesome. Woo! Party. Oh yeah. Check out that view. All right. So till next time, probably, hopefully like next week or something. That'd be awesome. Yeah, for sure awesome. Be like next week be the next time I see y'all. Yeah, we'll go get a piece of tape, fix that, and we'll be done. All right, peace out.